Hi guys, Kevin here for Easy ESL Games, and I'm going to show you how you can play Shiritori with your ESL or EFL classroom. Playing is very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to divide your class into 2 or 3 teams depending on the size of your class. I like to keep groups to about 5 people per team. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set a 2-minute timer. The way to play Shiritori is you pick a topic, we are going to say food, and then have the first member of each team come to the board. Now, when you say go, they have to write a word, any food. Then, once they're finished, they're going to go back to the second person in their team and switch and give them the marker. Then the second person is going to come up. So the first person on my team wrote pizza. The last letter is A. That means the second player is going to come to the board after they get the marker, and they are going to have to write a word that starts with A. So they're going to write artichoke. And that ends with E. So they're going to take their marker, go back to the group. The third person in the group is going to come up and they have to think of a food that starts with E. Oh, they say egg. They take their marker, they go all the way back. The fourth person in the group comes back and they have to come up with a G word. What are they going to say? They're going to say gratin. Gratin? I know the G's right, I know the N's right. So then we have the last word. They go back and they say noodles. And then time expired, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. At the end of 2 minutes, whichever team was able to come up with the most words where they were using this technique, the last letter becomes the first letter, the last letter becomes the first letter, without repeating, wins. I hope you have fun using Shiritori. It works every time. It's nice, it's simple, it's a super easy warm-up that just gets everybody involved real quickly. Anything with teamwork always, makes a team work. See you guys later.
If you're looking for great downloads, visit our Teachers Pay Teachers page. And for more classroom games, make sure to visit our website, easyeslgames.com.